and welcome you all again to your grammar lecture. You know that the prose we have completed successfully. So this is the course of June month. So that is why I decided to teach you some grammar topic. These are very essential for you. So students, rectification of error. Actually very nicely last year we have completed this topic. Then you all are thinking why the madam has taken this topic again, because in board this question is in asked for 4 marks in commerce and 2 marks in 2 or 3 marks in science. So this is the most important question for you. So just for making your practice, I decide that let's take the rectification of error. This is also the important part for you. So students, see, those who are the new ones, for them some instructions I would like to tell you. So the instructions are, first, as the heading, rectification of errors means correction of the errors. So in exam, that type of questions will come to you, and you have to find out the error, make the correction of it. So I made the column also. So students, what are the rules that you have to keep in your mind while doing the correction of errors? So first of all, check the tense. If you want to write the rules, then you can. Okay students, those who are the new student or my old students also, if you want to write them in your notebook, you can write them. Okay. First rule for rectification of error is check the tense. Check out the tense, either it is in correct form or not. This is the first step. Once you know that the tense is correct, then see the preposition, articles, they are written correctly or not. Means first we have to check out the tense. Second step, that see the prepositions and the articles. And third one is very hardly it will ask spelling mistake. Sometimes the words wrong spelling is written and we have to correct the spelling, but hardly it will come. The first two rules are very important. First, what I said, first is check the tense, and second is check the preposition and articles. Only these two things you have to keep in your mind and do the rectification of error, or we can say the correction of error. So this is a very easy topic. Up to 10th, whenever this topic came in 10th standard, so 10th standard students were very afraid of this topic, because they told me that ma'am, we are not getting anything in this, that where we have to do what, okay, where we have to find out the error, where we have to rectify the error. Okay, so for this is a very easy hint I have given to you. Just check out the tense, see the preposition and articles. If they are correct, and most hardly means it will come, that is a spelling mistake. Otherwise spelling mistake would not come. But these two keep in your mind. First is tense and second is prepositions and articles. So let's see, if you want to write, I told you, you can write down the questions. Now move towards the correction. First sentence is, and keep in your mind that in one sentence one error is there. Okay, in one sentence one error is there. Sometimes what happens, by board mistake no error is given there, but according to your opinion, if you want to rectify the error, or if you have found any error, then you can make the correction of it. Okay, so first question here I have written. The first question is, this type of question will come, French language was the more beautiful language. In first reading we are not getting anything. So what we have to do? We have to repeat the reading 2 or 3 times. At least 2 or 3 times read the sentence and definitely you will get the error. Okay. So see, French language was the more beautiful language. Something is so. What is that so? More. And in your daily communication we are not using this more. Okay. So the error I found is more. In exam, this is the proper way of writing answers. No need to write the question. But in your CW, in grammar book, write these questions, and if you have no space, then this you have to write here by giving the winning answer. Okay guys? So I seeing both error as well as correction. So be careful. You have to make the correction with both error also and correction also. So here French language was the most beautiful language, isn't it? So I write the correction more becomes most. Okay beta. Second question. It was a clearest and most logical language. So here we are talking about only one language. So here A is not proper because A is the indefinite article. You know there are three articles, namely a, and the. In that A and an is indefinite article and the is the definite article. So here we are very definite about the French language. We are talking about only this language. We know very well, that is why here A is wrong. So I found the next error, that is A. Okay, I made the correction, it becomes the. Okay, next one. We must guard the language between us. This is again the preposition, guys. Between and among. These are the two prepositions used for showing the center or relation. So between we are using for showing the relation between two persons. Suppose I am standing here between the podium and the AC. So I am in between that. So between is the correct word. But us means we all are. We all. So for this, between is not proper. So I will use among. So here next error is first is A. In third sentence it is between and between becomes among. So I write the correction. First I will write the error. Between it becomes among. Let's see the next sentence. We must never forget the language. As you notice the students here, we must never forget the language. Whenever must and should comes, we are not using that past tense. Always we are using the present tense. So here, forgot is your next mistake. So I write here, forgot. It becomes forget. Okay, let's revise the topic. First question I have written, French language was the more beautiful language. More becomes most. It was a clearest and most logical language. A becomes the. We must guard the language between us. Between becomes among. And we must never forget the language. Forgot becomes forget. Clear, guys? Let's move towards the next question. The next question is for you. And you are very clever. I know that my 11th science students last year they have done it themselves only. So for commerce one they are also very brilliant because last year you only have done these sentences last year. Yourself you have done it very properly. So this is just as a revision I made this year. Because in regular lecture it is not possible for us to revise this topic. That is why in 1 or 2 lectures I will complete this topic. Okay beta. Second question. I looked up from mind writing. Here you are getting something wrong. Which one? Just you can guess. I looked up from mind writing. Which one is incorrect? Yes, mind. Because mind is not proper here. So this is the error. Mind. It becomes, mind becomes, you have to think about it. Suppose you have searched the error mind. Then it becomes, read the sentence again. I looked up from my writing. So mine becomes mine. Okay. Second question. I saw him sitting motionless on his chair. So again read the question. I saw him sitting motionless on his chair. Which is the incorrect word? Tell me. On. Because on is not the proper preposition for chair. Because we are going to sit in the chair, not on the chair. Isn't it? So here on is the preposition. It is wrong. So I will correct it with in. Easy? He was gazing first at one thing then another. Again, read the sentence. He was gazing first. Gazing means to look. He was gazing first at one thing then another. Then is not proper. Here no comparison is there. Actually, he was just looking at one thing then other. So then becomes then. So here the next mistake is then. So your then becomes then. Next question. He wanted to fix everything to his mind. He wanted to fix everything to his mind. To is there. Two prepositions are used. TO2, TO2. Two times it comes here. So he wanted to, it is correct. Because always if you want to emphasize over any sentence, we are using to. Is the infinitive. I told you, to is the infinitive. So he wanted to fix. To fix shows the infinitive. Because fix is your verb, it comes with to. So it is an infinitive form. So he wanted to fix, it is correct sentence. Everything to his mind. Here, to is proper? No, absolutely not. Then here, if we have searched the error to, then what it becomes? He wanted to fix everything to. It becomes in. He wanted to fix everything in his mind. Clear guys? So, I correct these two with me. Okay? These two questions, I hope you understand it very well because many clues I have given here and this type of rules not given in any book. These are the rules, whatever I told you, just keep in your mind and I told you that you have to write it down. In suppose future you forgotten it, then it is helpful if you have written work is there, then it is helpful for you to solve the question. Now, pause the video, write down these questions and I am going to write the third question here. So I am going to rub this one. You have to write the question, guys. Don't forget to write, okay? Now, the third question of the same lesson. Third one. When the school began, their were a great puzzle. Next question. This is A. Then B. I could be heard out in the street. It could be, heard out in the street. C question. One could hear the opening. One could hear the opening and closing of desk. The lessons were loudly repeated on unison. This is the question. I will not hear the next one. This is here A, B, C and D. Okay. Now see the question you have given here. First question is when the school began, there were a great bustle. Bustle is a singular word here. So something is missing. What is it? You just guess. When the school began there, when the school began, it is one word. There were a great bustle. So here, tense is wrong. Were. It becomes was. So first here is were. It becomes was. Got it? So when the school began, there was a great bustle. This is your correct sentence. Next one. He could be heard out in the street. So here, what is wrong? It could be heard out. Actually, heard is a collective noun. It is used for showing the group of the cattle or animals. Okay. So head out is not proper, isn't it guys? So what we have to write here? It could be heard out in the street. So head becomes heard. H-E-R-D. Head is your mistake. You corrected it with heard. Clear? C question. One could hear the opening and closing of desk. One could hear. Here shows it is a preposition and we can say showing the place. Okay. So one could hear the opening and closing of desk. There is no relation of this opening and closing of desk with here. So something is missing here. So here becomes here only. This is a rhyming word, but spelling is different, meaning is also different. Here shows the place, but we have to take the here that we are listening. Okay, that here. So one mistake is here, it becomes here. Okay. Next one is the lessons were loudly repeated on unison. Suppose if you went in the smaller classes, that is of that nursery and first, second, they were reading their lessons in unison. Means all together they are reading their lessons. So here something is wrong. What is it? The lessons were loudly repeated. On is incorrect. It becomes in. So your mistake is on. It becomes in. So this is the wrong answer. Means on becomes in. Okay. Next one is that chapter 2. We are going to do the questions. These are the questions of chapter 1. Now we move towards chapter 2 because 2 lessons we have completed. So we will do the rectification also of that chapters. So what's your work? Pause my video. Write down the whole stuff. Okay. I am going to run this question. Then we will move to the next chapters, next questions. These are the questions from your first chapter. 3 questions they have given. Now let's move towards your chapter 2. See. Question which comes fourth one. A. I see him. I see him scrounging on the garbage. Scrounging on the garbage. B question. He left his home long ago. He left his home long ago. C. His home in Dhaka. His home in Dhaka was the distant memory. D. The storms swept away the storms swept away their fields and homes. Their fields and homes. Let's write A, B, C, D. Here guys, this is for you because I will give the solution of this question in my next lecture guys, because you have to just write and solve this question. What the clues I have given, if you are not getting the question, you have to read the question 2 or 3 times, and then if suppose you are not getting the answer, again read it, find out the error, and with proper words, if they are matching there, you can make the correction of it. Okay guys, so in my next lecture I will give the answer of it. Till then, bye.